All right, this is the step-by-step roadmap to become an OAU student from scratch. This is the 2026 complete guide for admission. So follow me, let's read together the steps on Akai News website. Let's start. Gaining admission into Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU Ile-Ife, is not about luck. It is about strategy, preparation, and correct guidance. Take note of that. These 3 points. Gaining admission into OAU Ile-Ife is not about luck. It is about 1. Strategy, 2. Preparation, and 3. Correct guidance. Let's continue. Every year, thousands of students apply, but only a small percentage succeed. The painful truth is this: many of those who fail are not dull, they simply lack the right roadmap. Take note of that point also. Lack the right roadmap. That is what they lack. Let's continue. If you truly want to secure admission into OAU this year, follow this guide very carefully. Start here. Don't risk another year. Before we proceed, understand this. What is that? Okay, here's an advert from Akai Tutors. Crush OAU Post-UTME, OAU Pre-Degree, OAU JUPEP at Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. You can call the number on your screen. Let's proceed. Admission into OAU is becoming more competitive every year. Don't think last year, because you wrote JAM last year, this year will be easier. No. If you want to score high in JAM, pass OAU Post-UTME confidently, avoid costly mistakes, you are expected to join Akai Tutors Ile-Ife for OAU prep class. You can WhatsApp the management of Akai Tutors on the number you see on your screen: 080-38-644-328. Limited slot available for accommodation. Those who are outside Ile-Ife, Akai Tutors provide decent hostel accommodation for you. So from experienced coaching OAU aspirants, students who start early always have a major advantage. Step 1 to follow if you want to get OAU admission. Understand how OAU admission works. That's one of the first things you must understand. You cannot win a game you don't understand. That is the truth. OAU admission is based on JAM UTME score, OAU Post-UTME screening, and O-level results. That is WAEC and NECO. Be reminded at this point that OAU does not accept NAPTEP. Admission to OAU is strictly merit-driven. This means the higher your score, the higher your chances. Let's underline that for emphasis. That means what? That means the higher your score, the higher your chances. Take note of this point. Very, very important. You need to score very high. Step 2, choose the right course strategically. One of the biggest mistakes students make is choosing courses emotionally. Popular courses like medicine, law, nursing, engineering require extremely high scores based on trends observed over the years. Competitive courses require 260 to 320 plus in UTME JAM. Smart students choose based on strength, study pass cutoff marks, have backup options. Step 3, prepare aggressively for JAM. Your JAM score determines your foundation. If you fail here, everything becomes difficult. Target scores. Competitive courses target 260 plus. Moderate courses try to score 220 to 250. Some are contented scoring 200. No, if you are going for a very highly competitive course, ensure you score 260 and above. Practical strategy: study strictly with JAMB syllabus. Practice past question daily. Use CBT software regularly. Master time management. Step 4. Secure strong O-level results. You must have at least 5 credits, including English and mathematics, in relevant subjects. For competitive courses, aim for A's and B's in your O-level. Weak O-level results can ruin strong JAMB performance. Step 5. Choose OAU as first choice JAMB institution during your JAMB registration. This is non-negotiable. OAU only considers first choice candidates. If you choose OAU as second choice, your chances are gone. So don't do that mistake of choosing OAU as your second choice. Step number 6, prepare specifically for OAU post-UTME. This is where many students lose admission. OAU post-UTME is competitive, time sensitive, deep in questioning. Winning strategy for their questions or methodology that you can adopt in OAU post-UTME. You need to study OAU past question very well. Practice speed and accuracy. Understand exam patterns. Based on experience, students who prepare specifically for OAU screening outperform others easily. So for other steps, you can visit akahinews.org for details on how to get admission into OAU at ease. Just visit akahinews.org and type on this search bar, this bar. When you visit akahinews.org, click here and type the title of this post. This Akai News, akahinews.org. So you type this title, step-by-step roadmap to become an OAU student from scratch. Just take note, you can screenshot this from this video and copy it and visit akahinews.org. akahinews.org. Thank you.